How many of you ready for the game? Say I. Aye. Welcome to game time. The name of the game is T puzzle. The objective of the game is you have to make the alphabet T using 4 pieces. How many pieces? 4 pieces. The rules of the games are you should not overlap the piece, you should not cut or bend the piece. You have to use all the 4 pieces to make the alphabet T. Can you cut the pieces? No. Can you bend the pieces? No. How many pieces should you use? 4. Are you ready? Yes. I will be giving you 2 minutes. Coaches will be giving you the puzzles. Please don't touch the puzzle or else you will get disqualified. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, and your time starts now. And time. Anybody was able to solve the puzzle? No? Almost? So do you want clue? More love. Okay, since you have asked with lots of love, I'll give you the clue. This is the mother piece, the most important piece. This will come in the center at 45 degrees. This time I will be giving you 1 minute and 250 points. How many points? 250 points. And your time starts now. And time. So do you all need answer from me? Yes? Come on with lots of love. Okay, the answer is...
Complete the first. Come on. Now see and do it. Everybody, come on.
Are you ready for T for a little twist? T also stands for training. உங்களோட public speaking training, உங்களோட presentation skill training ஆரம்பிக்க போகுது. T for... Are you ready? But... steps இருக்கு. Practice பண்ணு, progress ஆகும், progress பண்ணு, permanent ஆகும், then only you'll become good at it. You'll become great at it and you'll become a legend out of it. வேற என்ன learn பண்ணு இந்த கேம்ல இருந்து? Practice, tricks இருக்கு. Anybody wants to learn flying? Anybody wants to become a pilot? You can become. Flying class போய் சேர்ந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? ஆமா. They will give you training and நீங்க மேல போயிடலாம். Isn't it? Physical, correct. Isn't it? Everything is a matter of matter of practice and with a proper trainer, proper coaching, proper guidance. T puzzle, T stands for training.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.